Do you forget your iPhone passcode? This is how you restore your iPhone. You need a computer installed with iTunes software to restore your iPhone. But make sure you remember your Apple ID and passcode to successfully restore your iPhone.
Open iTunes software on your computer. Plug in your iPhone into the computer using original cable. Follow this step to put iPhone to DFU mode. Click up and down button plus power button to power off the phone. Repeat the action again. Click up and down button plus power button, but hold down the power button when you see Apple logo to enter DFU mode. Yeah, that's correct. Now follow the message pop up on computer screen. Download and restored. After the download completed, it will extract the file and complete the iPhone restore. Welcome back.